Today, we're going to walk you through installing optional accessories for the Garmin OnDeck system. For this process, you will need any of the accessories you wish to install, along with the tools for making electrical connections. The Garmin OnDeck system has many optional accessories, including a shore power sensor, battery voltage sensors, a temperature sensor, security sensors, bilge pump control, and relays. First, we will install the shore power sensor. This will provide an alert when the outlet loses power. The shore power sensor also enables the device to stay in a full power state when the boat is connected to shore power. This sensor must be installed in a dry location. Select and install the proper plug type for your AC system. Do not plug in the shore power sensor to the power outlet at this time. Connect the white wire from the shore power sensor to the white and blue wire on the in-out wiring harness. Connect the black wire from the shore power sensor to the black wire on the in-out wiring harness. Now, plug in the shore power sensor to an AC outlet that is connected to the boat's shore power connection. Next, we will move to installing the DC battery inputs. You are able to monitor 2 battery banks in addition to the source for the GTB10 black box device. Start by connecting the battery 1 positive, the red wire, or the battery 2 positive, the yellow wire, from the in-out wiring harness to a 1 amp fuse. Then, connect the 1 amp fuse to the positive side of the boat's 10 to 32 volt DC battery bank. Connect the corresponding battery 1 negative, the green wire, or the battery 2 negative, the orange wire, from the in-out wiring harness to the negative side of the boat's battery bank. Optionally, repeat this process with the set of wires you didn't use on a secondary battery bank. Monitoring the 10 to 32 volt power input to the GTB10 black box device will be done through the power cable of the GTB10. Next, we will install the temperature sensor. Connect 1 wire from the temperature sensor to the light green wire on the in-out wiring harness. Then, connect the other wire from the temperature sensor to the black wire on the in-out wiring harness. Use the ring on the temperature sensor to secure it as needed. The sensor must then be set up in the Active Captain app. Steps can be found at the link in the description. Now we will install the security sensor. You can install up to 30 security sensors. Ensure you carefully install and test each device in the series. The 2 parts of the security sensor should not be more than 10 millimeters apart when the door or window is closed to engage the magnet. Select a location on the window or door frame in the window or door that allows the 2 parts of the sensor to align. Use 2 screws to mount the wired half of the sensor to the door or window frame. Then, use 2 screws to mount the other half of the sensor to the door or window, ensuring that the 2 parts align when the door or window is closed. Connect 1 wire from the sensor to the white-green wire on the in-out wiring harness. Connect the other wire to the black wire on the in-out wiring harness. The security sensor must then be set up in the Active Captain app. Steps can be found at the link in the description. Now we will move on to installing the bilge pump inputs. This will allow control of the boat's bilge pumps. Connect the Bilge 1, the white and black wire, or Bilge 2, the red and white wire, from the in-out wiring harness to a 1 amp fuse. Then, connect the 1 amp fuse to the switched positive side of the bilge pump's 10 to 32 volt power source. If you are connecting to an auto-sensing bilge pump with an optional manual connection, you may be able to connect this input to the pump's manual connection if it is energized to 10 to 32 VDC when the pump is active. Connect the negative side of the bilge pump's power to the negative side of the power source for the GTB10 black box device's power source. Lastly, up to 5 relays can be connected for control of other items on the boat. The link provided on screen and in the description will go through the basics and installation of OnDeck relays. And that's it. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.